my name's John Hooker, we're at Cornish Arms in Tavistock in sunny Devon. The second dish we're going to cook for you today is we're going to showcase some beautiful day boat Cornish plaice from Johnny down at Flying Fish. I've only ever used Johnny's fishing, we've never bought one piece of fish from anybody else, so Johnny's the best of the best, and that's testament again to what we do here.
We'll be cooking the fish. It's a beautiful chunky bit of plaice. You know, our customers sometimes are like, that's not plaice, because it's that thick and it's that beautiful, and these big jumbo plaice this time of year, well, they're coming to an end now. They're the best late summer, early autumn, because it's been such a mild autumn, they're still coming through.
So we're going to lightly grill the plaice really simply with some white wine and some butter. That'll emulsify and caramelise, and we'll gently poach it under the grill. And then we're serving that with a fricassee of autumnal vegetables. So we've got some golden beetroot in a dice, we've got some squash, we finished that with some carbonero, and then to freshen the fricassee up, we just gently wilt some baby gem lettuce and some chopped dill into that.
So to finish the dish, we're going to make a classic beurre blanc, a reduction of shallots with some tarragon, white wine vinegar and some white wine, which we're going to then enrobe with some lovely Cornish butter, and then just lightly stabilise it then with a touch of cream. And to finish the beurre blanc sauce, we're gonna just chuck in a little bit of poached lobster, just to make it a bit more indulgent. And again, you know, native lobsters are beautiful. And then some fresh chives just to freshen up the dish, and that's our completed dish. Yeah, so to plate up the dish, we're gonna tian up the fricassee of vegetables. We're gonna then finish the plaice with some fresh lemon. And then on the side, we serve the sauce with the poached lobster, the chives, and then we finish the sauce, which pulls through that lobster flavour with some roasted lobster oil. There we have our grilled fillet of day boat Cornish plaice with a fricassee of autumn vegetables and a lobster beurre blanc.